Today, I'm going to show you how to pay for Hostinger on a monthly basis. This option is great if you want flexibility or prefer not to commit to a long-term plan right away. The entire process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Hostinger website. Hostinger's homepage is designed to help you get started easily with a clean layout and quick access to all their hosting tools. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the login button. Click it, then enter your account details to sign in. Make sure your email and password are correct so you can access your dashboard without any issues. After logging in, you'll be brought to the home section of your Hostinger dashboard. This is your main control center where you can adjust settings, manage services, and explore different hosting options. Hostinger keeps everything organized, so navigating the dashboard is straightforward even if you're a beginner. Next, look for the Marketplace option. This is where Hostinger displays its different hosting plans and services. Click on Marketplace to continue. Once inside, find the Explore Plan section. Here you can view detailed descriptions of each hosting plan, compare features, and understand what you'll receive with your subscription. Take a moment to browse through these options so you can choose the plan that best matches your needs. When you've decided on a plan, click the Select button next to it. This begins the setup process for your hosting choice. You'll now be taken to the duration selection screen. Since you want to pay monthly, select the 1 month option. Choosing this sets your billing cycle to monthly instead of annually or multi-year. And it's ideal for testing Hostinger's services without paying a large amount upfront. Once you've selected the 1 month duration, review the summary to make sure everything looks correct. You can then proceed to payment. Hostinger supports several payment methods, so choose the one that works best for you and complete the checkout. And that's it. You've successfully set your Hostinger plan to monthly payments. From now on, your hosting will renew each month, giving you flexibility and predictable billing without long-term commitments. If you ever want to switch plans or change your billing cycle, you can return to your dashboard at any time. I hope this guide helped you understand how to pay monthly on Hostinger. If you ever have questions or run into issues, Hostinger's support team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.